Hey guys, this is JD Vay with Hoppe Industries down in True, Texas. Excited to talk to you again today about our Hoppe Audio Mini. This is the fastest selling product we've ever launched in the history of the company. We're getting a lot of feedback from the dealers and customers that have them, and then we're getting a lot of questions about it on our social media and on our website coming in. But we just want to make sure we share some of the information with you guys so that maybe it helps you understand what makes it so great. The only thing mini about the Hoppe Audio Mini is the price tag. With a retail price of $800, it's very cost effective. I think you can install it in about 15 minutes, and we're going to show you why here in a second. As far as the sound goes, there's nothing mini about the Audio Mini. Of course, we use Kicker's audio components. It has the Kicker KMC2 head unit, which also has not only Bluetooth, but it also has AM, FM, a full equalizer. In the speakers, we use 4 6-inch speakers from Kicker as well. So the full Kicker audio system. The enclosure is designed and manufactured right here with our engineering team and our manufacturing team. It is made of a composite. We do close molding with it. We are able to suck all the air out of it and take out all the extra resin. It's going to be stronger and tougher and hold up longer over the life of your vehicle as you put it through all the work that you guys are going to use it for. Okay, so the most popular questions we get: where can I get the Hoppe Audio Mini? 2 main ways. Number 1, you can go to hoppeindustries.com, go right there. You can make your purchase right there and we'll ship it right to you. The other way you can get this is you go to partsunlimited.com and you find your local Parts Unlimited dealer and you go see them and order it. Parts keeps these things in stock. They ship it. They got warehouses all over the country, and you should be able to get it very, very quickly. So much like Justin Timberlake, step 1, you got to get a box. Now we put our stuff in the box, and your job is to get your stuff out of the box. So you can see right here, here's your Hoppe Audio Mini. Comes fully assembled. The Kicker KMC2 unit and the 4 6-inch speakers. Get your dome light, fully functional. You can see the back side. It's fully enclosed. It's all sealed. And then it has the harness and the connector right here. So all you have to do is have it right there, and then we've got the other harness in the box in there. So what else comes in the kit that goes with the main assembly? First thing, instructions. Color, printed, very easy to read. We take the time to make sure you understand. You want to take a closer look at them before you buy the product. You can go to hoppeindustries.com. They're posted to our website. Feel free to go through them and look at them, and you'll see it really is about a 15-minute install. It's very simple, easy to follow, and you can look for yourself. The next, have a little box of goodies here. Comes with the Hoppe warranty card. You just need to go to hoppeindustries.com, follow to the website here. It'll tell you where to go, register your products. Also, now we have, when the Kicker KMC2 head unit comes in, it comes with a black ring, and then we also have a chrome one. You can take that one off, it just snaps on and off. And also for some of the older models, they don't have true plug and play. We actually put in a couple extra ring terminals for you if you need to cut the connector off. But for most of the ones that come on, especially the newer models, this is the harness that comes with it. It's truly plug and play. There's a connector on the back, as I showed you earlier in the video. All you have to do is plug that end in, and then this one, run it down the A-post, run it right behind, right under the dash, right to the firewall, and you plug this right in. It's that easy. There's no cutting and splicing. It truly is a plug and play operation with sealed connectors, and it is that easy. We make it easy for you. In addition to the harness, the last thing in the box, we've got the laser cut brackets. Since we reverse engineered the cage, we've lined all the holes, prototyped to test fit. Real precise. Very simple. You're not going to have to pry on it, cut on it. It's going to line right up to your chassis, no matter which model it is. These, in fact, are for the Polaris Ranger. So it's got 2 holes right here for the side of our box, and then these go up to the cage at the top. One for the left, one for the right. All the hardware is included. So as you can see, it's really simple. Very easy to do. The quality of the components, second to none. Good, strong casing. I mean, it's going to take a beating over time, and we expect it to, and that's what we've designed it to. So we're passionate about the industry. We're passionate with our partners. Parts Unlimited, Kicker, we're able to be successful together. Our motor trike dealers are great on the motor trike side of things. They sell these as well. So as always, keep watching. Watch our social media, Facebook and Instagram. Watch our websites. We always put our new products up. Just continue to follow us. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to launching a lot of new products. We got a bunch coming this fall.